I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. This VEM file is either for Virtual Expander audio data or a Microstation design asset. Let's determine the right software to open it. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single VEM file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. The VEM file extension is associated with Virtual Expander and Microstation software. In the context of Virtual Expander, it likely contains data related to virtual instrument or effect configurations. When associated with Microstation, a CAD software, it may store design elements, macros, or other custom data used within the application. The internal structure of a VEM file varies depending on the software it's associated with. For Virtual Expander, it likely contains parameters and settings for virtual instruments. For Microstation, it may contain vector graphics, text, and other design elements. These files are typically proprietary and require the associated software to be opened and interpreted. Your application default for VEM should ideally be Microstation from Bentley systems. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. To open this specific VEM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microstation is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your VEM file will not open yet, do not panic. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, install Virtual Expander. Download the Virtual Expander software if the file contains audio or virtual instrument configuration data. Next, open in Microstation. If the file is a design asset, use the Microstation CAD software to import the custom design elements or macros. Finally, check extension context. Look at the file location. If it's in an audio folder, use Music Tools. If it's in a design folder, use CAD software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.